Okay, Scully, come on.
Oh, Mike.
Follow the salty sound of my voice. Mike. Ta-da! What do you think?
What was wrong with your old car?
3 little words, Sully. 6-wheel drive. Come on. Oh. It's adjustable. Will you cut it out?
It's like we released the panther.
What? Oh. Come on. Don't just sit there. Pull the button. Don't touch anything. I'll do it.
Oop.
Get out of the car. Get out.
Huh?
Out.
What, Mike? That's weird. The airbag didn't go off.
I miss my old car.
Do you want to walk?
Yes.